Hi there, Chris here with Vita Solare here in Naples, and we're talking about how to work the party lights. So here we go, just a friendly reminder. We don't condone any large parties or gatherings, but if you would like to have a little party with those that are registered guests, please feel free. And we got some party lights to help you out. So here we go. I'm out on the pool lanai here, and this is what one of the party lights looks like. You can see they're all the way around the cage, and I apologize for not doing this video at night. I'll do another one at night at some point. But here's all the cage lights, and here's the remote that makes all of that work. So if you press the power button here, you can see there they light up. And I'm gonna go over to this one here because that one's looking a little, there we go. So you can change the color by spinning your hand around the color wheel, and you can see any color that you'd like. You can keep it, sorry, I'll try to get the remote in focus here for you. There we go. You've got green, for example. Try to keep the remote here. Red, or blue, white, red, and then it can change color with these S buttons down here. So you can see it'll fade quickly. You've got a slower fade over here. So you can play around and do anything you want with that, but that's the party lights and that's the remote. Just remember to turn them off when you're done, and have fun at Vita Solare.